Hello everybody, thank you so much for being here. I'm excited to share with you our topic for today, and we are going to be discussing how you can move to South Korea for free in 2024. I'm extremely excited about this, and this is one of those scholarships that I call easy scholarships, because if you've gone through regular scholarships, the entire admission process, the entire documents that you have to put through in order to apply for the scholarship, sometimes the process is extremely difficult. Sometimes you have to go through phase 1, phase 2, and sometimes it lasts over a period of about 6 to 8 months, sometimes 1 year to go through it. But just imagine a scholarship where you do not have that kind of a hassle. All you have to do is put together your documents, go through an application portal, submit it, and that's it. And also, when you think about a scholarship, what is the most difficult part of it? It's always like the essays that you have to write. Like, you have to strategize about your essays, you have to strategize about your recommendation letters, you have to strategize about so many things. So in this particular scholarship, you're going to find that they are not asking for all of those things, that you really have to come up with a strategy in order to go through it. So if you're looking for easy scholarships, if you're looking for an easy way to move to South Korea for free in 2024, this is the video for you. Keep watching. By the way, I work with students one-on-one from the start of their scholarship application process right through till the end. So if you want to work with me, there's a link in the description box. Click on it, sign up. It's going to help you send your details to me. Then we are going to begin the process of me working with you one-on-one, okay? So we are going to start with how much this scholarship actually gives to students. So as you can see here, they have, this is it, it's actually called the GIST scholarships. They have tuition assistance to all students, monthly stipends for international students. Of course, it's in one, so you can look through the details of, okay, how much is it? And then they have research assistantship, they have housing, they have this dormitory. If you're married, they provide for you. They have health insurance, and then they have flight reimbursement for all international students. Fully funded scholarship for international students to Korea. Let me tell you about the programs and those that can apply for this particular scholarship, okay? So here we are looking through the various programs that you must be applying to one of these programs in order to get the scholarship. You have School of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science, School of Mechanical Engineering, School of Life Sciences, Department of Chemistry, School of Integrated Technology, School of Energy Convergence, School of Material Science and Engineering, School of Earth Science and Environmental Engineering, Department of Physics and Quantum Science, Department of Biomedical Science and Engineering, and then Artificial Intelligence Grad School. So yes, they have this opportunity, an amazing opportunity, but you have to be studying one of these in order to be able to get access to leverage it, okay? Now let's talk about the deadlines. If you are going to be applying for the scholarship, you still have time to go through the process. As you can see here, this is their admission schedule, and the deadline to apply for this scholarship is October 15, which means that you still have a lot of time to put together all your documents and apply for the scholarship. Now let's get through to the application procedure. What are the steps that you have to follow in order to apply for this scholarship? So you have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. So on step 1, what are you doing? You are actually submitting an online application. You're going to go through a portal. Let me actually show you all the portal. This is what the portal looks like. Yes, that is it on your screen. That is the portal. You're going to come here, you will create an address. You're going to create like give your email, a password, and then you're going to follow the steps in order to begin your application. And then after going through that, you go to step 2. In step 2, they say the admissions coordinators are going to contact you. In step 3, they are going to inform you about the results of like who has been, if you have been selected. And then step 4, you're going to complete your enrollment procedures, and then documents, paying like a matriculation fee. And then step 5, you are going to apply for a student visa. And when this goes well, you are on your way to getting this amazing opportunity to get to study in South Korea for free in 2024. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to this channel and share this video with a friend, a brother, a sister, an auntie, an uncle, someone in your local church, someone in your local community. Share this video with them. I'm going to see y'all in the next one. Cheers.